Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear friends, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus which is quadratic equation, and in previous class we take and discuss about the very important topic related to that chapter, that is quadratic equation, and we take the topic solving the quadratic equation by using the formula. Okay, now in today's class we also take and solve some other important questions related to the same topic, solving the quadratic equation by using the formula. Okay, so let's see some important previous year board examination question related to that. And very important question is, using quadratic formula solve the given equation. The question is, using quadratic equation, quadratic formula, using quadratic formula solve the given equation. Solve the given equation, and your equation is 9x square minus 9 in bracket a plus b into x plus 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square is equal to 0. Okay, this is the quadratic equation in variables form, and we solving the given equation by using the formula. So first of all, what I do for that, dear students, first of all we comparing the equation with, now let's see its solution. Comparing the given equation by ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, because of, dear student, this is the general form of the quadratic equation. So now this is x, the coefficient of x square a, so here thus the value of a is what, that is 9, the value of b, coefficient of x, minus 9 in bracket a plus b, and the value of c, the term independent from x, that is constant term. The whole term is the constant term, that is 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square. Okay, so in this way, dear friends, first of all, by the compare of the given equation, by the original form of the equation, we find the value of a, b and c respectively. Now we apply the quadratic formula. Thus now by formula, that is x minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. We putting all these value in that equation. Okay, now let's see. So x is equal to minus b is what? This is minus minus plus. This is 9 a plus b square. 9 9 is a, this is plus 81 is there, and here this is a plus b whole square. Okay. Now minus 4ac. 4 into a is what? 9. C means what? Whole the term, that is 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square. Okay, and whole upon 2 into a means 2 into the value of a is what? 9. So first of all we put all the given value in the formula. Now we simplify it. Look, x is equal to, that is 9 in bracket a plus b plus minus, this is 81 ab square na, a plus b whole square, and here a plus b whole square is there or not? Not at all. We just simplify them. Okay. So now look, this is a square. Yes, yes. So now look, 81, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab is there. Now this minus 36 into 2. Okay. So after, now look, this is 36 in bracket, this is 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square. Okay, and whole upon 18. And after multiply these terms and this term, and after simplification we get, now after simplification we get x is equal to 9 into a plus b plus minus, after simplification these terms like 81 a square and 36 to the 72 a square to 81 a square and 36 to a square, that is left is what, 9 a square is left, so 9 a square here, right? Okay, now look, this is 81 b square here, minus plus minus 72 b square, so 9 b square is left, minus 9 b square is left, so here that is plus 9 b square, plus 9 b square is left here. Now look, this is 81 to the 162 ab, and here minus plus minus 36 5 the 180 or 162 to 18, so minus 18 ab is left, minus 18 ab is left. Okay, divided by 18. Okay, so we just simplify the given expression, so we get this value. Now we just write x is equal to 9 a plus b, plus we take 9 as common from the square root, and then we get a minus b whole square upon, this is 18, so x is equal to, now from 9 we take 3 as common, from we left from the square root, so 9 into a plus b plus minus 3 into a minus b taken from the square root upon 18. Now look, now we take the positive sign. Now we take first root as alpha is equal to, we take this is 9b plus 3a minus 3b upon 18. So we get, look, 9a plus 3a, 12a plus 9b minus 3b plus 6b upon 18. So we take 6 as common, so 2a plus b upon 18, 6 3s are 18, so 2a plus b upon 3. This is the first answer. Okay, and when we take negative sign, so this is 9a plus 9b minus 3a plus 3b, okay, upon 18. So now 9a minus, this is 6a, 9 3 12b upon 18. We take 3 as 6 as common, 6 is 18. So this is a plus 2b upon 3. So this is the required solution of the given question. Okay, dear student. So in this way, dear student, you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on quadratic formula. Now we take and solve some other important question based on this problem. We take a very important question. Solve the equation. Solve the equation 3x square plus 2 root 5x 3x square plus 2 root 5x minus 5 is equal to 0. Minus 5 is equal to 0 by using the formula. By using the formula. Now let's see its solution. This is a very important question of your syllabus. Okay, let's see. Here we solve the given equation by using the formula. We don't factorize them, we just apply the quadratic formula and simplify them. Look, so first of all we write given equation. This is 3x square plus 2 root 5x minus 5 is equal to 0. Now we compare from the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now we compare from the equation ax square, this is the general form of the quadratic equation. So here look, the coefficient of x square is a, here that is 3, that is the value of a is what? 3. Now b is the coefficient of x, here the coefficient of x is what? 2 root 5. So here the value of b is what? 2 under root 5. Now C is your constant term. So in the given equation, the constant term is what? Minus 5. This is minus 5. Okay? So in this way, we find the value of A, B and C. Now, we solving the given equation by formula. Now, the formula is, now we apply the formula, and what is the formula? We just discuss about that formula. That is for x, this is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is the formula. This is a quadratic formula. Minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now we put all this formula, all this question, all this value in the given formula. Look. That is x is equal to minus b two root 5 plus minus under root b square means 2 root 5 minus 4ac. A is what? C is what? Upon, that is 2a. A 3. So first of all, there should we put all the values in the given formula. Now we simplify them. X is equal to, this is minus 2 root 5 in square root, that is 2 to the 4 5 the 20 is there, minus that is plus Okay, that is plus. So here 4 3 is a 12, 4 3 is a 12, this is 60 is there upon 2 3 is a 6. So in this way, just now look. Now we simplify them. This is minus 2 root 5 plus minus under root, that is 60 plus 20, that is 80 upon 6. Now look, we can write minus 2 root 5 plus minus 80. We can write 16 into 5 because 16 5 is 80. We can split it then upon 6. Now, or we can write as plus minus. We take 4 as common because of the square root of 16 is what, 4. 4 root 5 is left here upon 6. Now, look. Now look, dear student, first of all, look, first, because of a quadratic equation has two roots, so first of all we take plus, that is first root. Now when we take minus, then we find the second root. Thus, first root we take as alpha, we take minus sign, so minus 2 root 5 plus sign plus 4 root 5 upon 6. Both are the like terms, no? So now plus 4 minus 2, that is plus 2 is left. So 2 root 5 plus 2 root 5 is left upon 6, 2 3 is a 6. 2 root 5 upon 3. This is the first root of the given quadratic equation. This is the first answer. Okay. Now, second one is what, when we take negative sign, so that is beta, we take as beta, and the value of beta is what? Look, minus 2 root 5 minus, here this is 4 root 5 upon 6. That is 4 minus 2 minus 4. Both are the like terms now. So minus 4 minus 2, that is minus 6. So minus 6 root 5 is there upon 6. So 6 cancel to each other. So second root is what? Minus root 5. This is the required next equation solution. So in this way, we solving the given equation by using the formula. So in this way, you solve some other important question based on these topics. Now we take and solve some other important question related to that topic. Let's see. Now look, we are solving some other important question. Solve the equation by using the formula. Solve the equation 3a square x square plus 8abx plus 4b square is equal to 0. Here, whenever a not equal to 0. So, this is the given equation. Dear student, this is the equation is in variable form. So first we find the value of a, b and c, capital A, B and c. So let's see its solution. So first, given equation, given this is 3a square x square plus abx plus. So now first of all we compare the given equation by the original form of equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We take capital ABC because of small abc is mentioned in our question, in the given question. So in this way, for any confusion or don't any confusion, we take ABC as capital. Okay. Now on comparing by the given equation, so here this is a is what? Coefficient of x square. So here the coefficient of x square is what? 3a square. Similarly, the value of b, coefficient of x is what? 8ab, and the value of c as constant, that is 4b square. That is 4b square. Now we apply the formula. Now solving for x, so minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now we put the values minus b. This is minus 8ab is there, 4 to the 4. चलो minus so plus minus b square. B is what? 8ab square minus 4 into a. A is 3a square, 4a. C is what? 4b square upon 2a upon 2 into 3a square. Okay. Now look, minus 3 8ab plus minus under root 8 is a 64 a square b square plus now 48 minus is there na, minus 48 a square b square divided by 6a square. Now look here, that is x is equal to, now minus 8ab right as it is under root. This is 64 minus 48. This is 16a square b square is left. 16a square b square is left. Okay. Upon 6a square. Now minus 8ab plus minus the square root of 16 is 4ab. 4ab taken out from the square root upon 6a square. So in this way we simplify them. Now we take plus and one time we take minus. That is first root is what? Now alpha is what? Minus 8ab plus 4ab upon 6 square. So that is what? Minus 4ab upon 6 square. 1 a cancel to each other. 2 2s are 2 3s are. That is minus 2b upon 3a. This is first answer. Minus 2b upon 3a. And when we take negative sign, so this is beta. This is minus 8ab minus 4ab upon 6a square. That is, this is 14 minus 14ab upon 6a square. 1a cancel, 2 3s are 2 7s are. Okay. So 7. So 8 6 12 now. This is 12. So 6 2s are 12. Minus 2b upon a. That is minus 2b upon a. This is the first one. So in this way, you can solve all the question of your NCERT exercise based on this topic. So dear students, in this way, in today's class, we discuss about the topic solving the quadratic equation by using the formula. Now in next class we take and discuss the same topic and some other important question. Okay, now thanks to all.